Our focus on the process safety management, risk management program started a long time ago when we realized that anhydrous ammonia is used everywhere to preserve products that we eat every day. So there's thousands of logistic companies all across this country that utilize anhydrous ammonia as their refrigerant so that we have food to eat and we can transport our food across the country, farm to table. So we assist facilities with compliance with various governmental regulations. These regulations mandate that facilities that utilize certain toxic materials are required to have management and hazard recognition programs in place to safely manage their materials. There have been serious injuries in the past and incidents in the past that regulators focus in on, largely ammonia refrigerated warehouses and other chemicals including chlorine, flammables, and some sulfur dioxide.
There's different types of training courses or classes that we offer. Reader Operator 1 builds the foundations for how to run a system and what are the major components of a refrigeration system. And then the Operator 2 course that we do trains more on more advanced topics. So how do you operate this specific type of equipment versus others, and what are the positives and negatives? And it's a little bit more technical and a little bit more complex. We have several different trainers that have years of experience teaching these courses as well as running these systems. So they can relate to the operators that take the courses pretty well because they've been in their shoes at some point in their lives. We also offer PSM, Process Safety Management and Risk Management program courses as well.
These businesses hire us so we can actually train them as part of their programs. So we help develop the programs for them, how to comply with them, and then we'll give them some training on how to apply the program. It could also save the company money, but it also helps the company know how to apply certain regulations and laws into their manufacturing or processing practices.
So one of the industry organizations that we participate in heavily is the Refrigerating Engineers and Technicians Association. The mission statement and the goal of the organization is to train and enhance the knowledge of the people that run these types of systems, and we want to make sure that they're able to get the education that they need and the training and the certifications that they need to be able to run these systems safely.
So the RETA National Conference is more like a family reunion. We like to have a good time. There's lots of things you can do when you go to a RETA conference. There's lots of things to learn. There's a lot of committees to participate on. I've been doing this for over 20 years and I've seen a big change, even in the last 10 years, with the amount of training that people want to do. A lot of the corporate clients that we work with now look at process safety management as a culture, not as a book that sits on my shelf. We work with some very, very forward-thinking end users who are ready to do the right thing for the right reason.
Part of our job is make sure everyone's operating safely. We want to make sure the chemical stays in the pipes and it could save lives.
Making people who work around anhydrous ammonia more knowledgeable so they can do their job safer. And we always have a good time.